So we all know about New Year's resolutions. If you haven't tried making one of these, you're probably lying. So let's try to reflect on this a little. January, on average, is the critical month of the year where we are setting new goals and trying to keep them. And as 2019 is coming to an end really soon, today I will share with you some tips how to make the best of your year, the remaining year. First step, review the New Year's resolutions that you set for 2019 and cross anything that makes no sense or doesn't spark joy anymore. If at this point such a list doesn't exist anymore, just create a new one that makes sense and sparks joy. The second step, be realistic about which of the goals that are left are actually achievable in this month before Christmas. So don't take up crazy and unhealthy goals like to lose 10 kilograms in a week or things like that. And think about which of the goals will do more harm than good for you, especially when you are trying to think about making something possible in a short amount of time. With a diet, it's really unhealthy, and with other things, it's unhealthy for your mind. So think about what is realistic. The third step is to break your goals into tasks. So if you create a plan for your dreams, it becomes your goal. So think about something that is really actionable and not something mystical and intangible. So if you want to create a business, it's a huge process and that can involve many things. But if under this big goal you write tasks like you need to create a logo and you need to create a social media account, and for example, you need to find a place in your home where you can focus on creating your business. These are very important steps that you need to take in order to focus on your business and to actually start everything. So if you're actually interested in building your own business from scratch and building a business that you actually love, I made a video last time about this, so you can watch it right here. But the thing that I want to stress here is that you need to make your tasks actionable. It's the only way to make this process easy and your goals achievable. The fourth step is the fun one. Think about your Christmas time. How much of it you want to be slaying goals and how much you want to be spending time with your family, cooking, decorating your Christmas tree, and things like that. Because it's also a part of your plan. You will probably want to make your home feel, smell, and look nice. You will want to put some cute gifts under the Christmas tree and maybe sometimes take your family out for dinner. And you have to respect that. You're a human being and you need to take some time for yourself. So the fifth step is naturally to review your task list again. Because now you know how many tasks are involved in achieving a certain goal, and you now know how much time you will want to spend with your family. So think about which of the goals will still be achievable and which of them will make your Christmas time overwhelming. And also cross off all of the tasks that are maybe unnecessary in order to achieve a certain goal, because those will take too much of your precious Christmas time. Just, priorities. The sixth thing is to find the easiest thing in your task list and do it, just to get the show going. And then, of course, cross anything that you have completed off your list. And I also want to keep you accountable, so write down in the comments below what will be your first thing that you will take action on and when you will be completing it. And after you finish doing your first task, remember to get back to the comments below and write that you have completed it, that I could congratulate you and you could be kept accountable. The seventh step is to pick how many things from your task list you can do each and every single day until Christmas, and then commit completing that number of tasks each and every single day. And to reward yourself for having a successful day and completing all of the tasks that you committed to do that day, you can eat one candy from your advent calendar, and it will be a great motivation to keep striving forward. And that's how, step by step, day after the day, you can achieve all of the goals that you set for your 2019, or at least those that make sense. So at this point of the video, we learned how to set ourselves up for success until Christmas. But if you want to know more ways how to keep yourself motivated and excited about each and every single day, I encourage you to subscribe to this channel and click the bell, because in my next video, I will be showing you how to start living your dream life today. Until then, while you're getting your shirt together this week, in the background, you can watch these two videos on my channel, and always remember to keep striving forward.